Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices climbed more than 1% as investors assess diplomatic efforts to ease tensions between the US and Iran. Hopes of de-escalation could reduce oil-driven inflationary pressures and influence the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook, supporting safe haven demand for the precious metal. Technical outlook. MCX Gold is extending its third consecutive session of gains and continues to trade with a positive bias. The immediate resistance is placed at 1,43,200 rupees. A breakout above this level could trigger a fresh rally towards 1,44,500 rupees and 1,45,200 rupees. On the downside, 1,42,000 rupees remains the key intraday support. Now let's move to copper. Copper prices advanced more than 2%, supported by tightening global supplies and strong buying interest from China. However, gains remained capped by concerns over global economic growth amid the ongoing US-Iran conflict. Technical outlook. MCX Copper is extending gains for the second consecutive session and continues to trade with a positive undertone. A sustained move above 1,335 rupees could lift prices towards 1,348 rupees and 1,353 rupees, while 1,320 rupees remains the immediate intraday support. Finally, let's discuss crude oil. WTI crude oil prices edged lower after settling more than 1% higher in the previous session. Investors continue to monitor the escalating US-Iran conflict and its potential impact on Middle East energy supplies, particularly after Yemen's Houthi movement announced a naval blockade targeting Saudi Arabia. Technical outlook. MCX crude oil is trading steady on the intraday chart while the overall trend remains positive. The immediate resistance is placed at 8,100 rupees. A breakout above this level could extend the rally towards 8,300 rupees and 8,400 rupees, while 7,800 rupees remains the key intraday support. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.